Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's opportunities are actually very interesting because in this video we have AI research roles, ML engineering openings and also a trainee software engineer role, and trust me, some of these companies are hiring for AI products. So if you are someone learning Python, machine learning, computer vision or Gen AI, then watch this video properly till the end because these opportunities can genuinely help you enter the AI industry early. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The company is Vansun Mediatech and they are hiring for the role of AI Research Data Science Intern. This is an actively hiring company and the role is available for both remote as well as Gurgaon hybrid model. So even if you are outside Gurgaon, you can still apply. Now coming to the stipend, this is honestly one of the strongest part of the opportunity because they are offering around 70 to 80,000 rupees per month and they have also clearly mentioned PPO potential after the internship. The duration of the internship is 6 months. Now let's talk about exactly what you will actually do in this role. In this internship, you will mainly work around generative AI, LLMs and real-world AI applications. Your responsibilities will include researching the latest developments happening in AI and LLMs, evaluating frameworks and tools like OpenAI, LangChain and Hugging Face, building proof of concept and prototypes for business and use cases, working on prompt engineering, API integration and model optimization, collaborating with product and engineering teams to convert ideas into actual working solutions. So this is not one of those basic internship roles. Here they are actually expecting you to experiment with modern AI systems and build things hands-on. Now coming to eligibility and skills required, they are mainly looking for candidates from top institutes like IITs, IIITs, BITS and NITs and similar colleges. But in general, even if you are not from these colleges and you have very good projects, you can apply because many startups prioritize skills and practical work. The candidates must have strong fundamentals in Python, machine learning concept, and problem solving. They also mentioned that you should have demonstrated interest in AI through project, internship, hackathon, GitHub work, or portfolio project. Another important thing is that they are looking for people who can move quickly from idea to execution. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from ParallelDots and they are hiring for the role of machine learning engineer. This is a remote full-time role across India and the company works heavily in computer vision domain for the FMCG industry. The salary being offered is around 4 to 6 LPA. Now coming to the work in this role, you will be training and deploying image classification and object detection models. You will be working with technologies like PyTorch, transformers, FastAPIs and computer vision pipelines. So this role is actually very good for people who want practical industry exposure in deep learning and computer vision. Your day-to-day work will include improving computer vision pipelines, modifying models for new projects, training AI systems, deploying models and working with backend serving frameworks. Now let's see the skills they are expecting. They want strong Python programming skills and some experience with PyTorch. They have specifically mentioned that experience with image classification and object detection algorithms is necessary. One more important thing they mentioned is that freshers who have already completed or currently pursuing internship in the data science domain should definitely explore this opportunity. Now let's move on to the third opportunity and this one is from Netnautics Technologies and they are hiring for the role of trainee software engineer. This is a hybrid model based in Pune and they are specifically looking for computer science graduates. Now what makes this role interesting is that it is not limited to only one domain. In this role you can work across AI ML, DevOps, cloud and application development domain. So this is actually a broad engineering opportunity where you can gain experience in multiple modern technologies. Now coming to the responsibilities, you will work on building scalable systems and applications, integrating Gen AI solutions into existing system, writing clean and maintainable code, troubleshooting and debugging applications. Working on automation and CI/CD pipelines is also your work. So overall this role combines software engineering, cloud, DevOps and AI together. Now let's talk about the skills required because they mentioned many technologies here. They are looking for candidates with good hands-on knowledge in Java or Python. You should have strong understanding of OOPs, data structures and algorithms. They also prefer candidates who have done AI, ML, NLP projects or internship. Apart from that, they want knowledge of SQL and NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Familiarity with Unix or Linux commands, experience with Git is also good. They also mentioned CI/CD pipelines, automation scripting, debugging skills, and problem solving abilities. So yeah, that's a very broad tech stack, I would say. And it's not that you should know everything and applied everything in a project, but you should be good at a particular path and you should have a bit of knowledge of everything, so you can explain how the application works in 360-degree. So yeah guys, these were the 3 opportunities I bought for you today, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.